Cody doing this lady's new trick.
Hey Cody. Cody, look at me. Look at me. Cody, take your towel off and look at me.
What do you think you are, in the dark?
He didn't know I was filming him. Oh, what are you
What's
eating?
in your mouth?
What are you eating? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Let me see. Is that what you were doing? Was hiding your Oreo? You guys, why is it that you have to hide what you eat around all your siblings? All growing up, it was like feast or famine with Oreos. Oreos specifically, and they came in and we were like vultures. Okay, I was told to hurry and come in here.
Scoot back, scoot back, scoot back.
She's such a smart dog.
Okay, ready? Okay.
She has do you guys, this is a new, this is
Hey, fight.
she has never done that.
She's never done that. How did you teach her?
That was amazing. Oh, good girl. Go feed her. Go feed her. Guys, Boston got some new shoes and he is the proudest owner you'll ever know.
Go help mom. Say, mom won't take you. So, get out of here with that.
Get you a husband that says
Look at that.
Why is it so attractive when I hear the words, go help your mother?
Mom's back.
Or he says, that is my wife and don't you talk to her that way. I'm like, Sterling. Okay, Lincoln, I am old and fragile. Hey, Olivia, open your mouth now. Now, open your mouth. I can smell it. It's Oreos. I can smell it. Okay, what would my life be if I wasn't doing returns? Okay, Lincoln, you're literally gonna break my. Ow! You're smashing. Watch the curls.
Watch the shit.
Pause. Watch the girl. Rude. Rude. There are. Well, just rude and rude.
Oh, it's a surprise.
What?
It's a surprise.
Okay, swallow what's in your mouth and uncover the camera.
Stop taking out my hands!
Hey.
I didn't say for any of you to have. I've been waiting. I waited patiently.
I don't want one. No, thank you. Okay. She thinks she's so cool because her phone's sticking out of her pocket.
No.
Olivia is so cool. She can like text her friends. But do you know who she texts the most? Grandma.
Cody,
And I got new shoes.
Or Cody.
have you two texted during school?
Yes. Well, that's a quick way to get your stuff taken away. Hold on, close the door and lock it so no one comes in. Lincoln was in my room and he was playing with my... Do not open that.
I wasn't.
He was looking in here.
I didn't look inside.
Yeah,
I
but
want.
this is a secret. And I'm only going to show you if you feel like you cannot tell anyone what's in this jar. Do you swear? Lincoln, it's a big deal.
I swear.
Okay, come over here because I don't want it to jump out on that side. So you stay over here. I don't know if I should show you.
I won't tell you.
Swear?
Pinky promise.
Okay. I can't lift the whole thing up, so get really close. But like, be careful because it's a little nerve-wracking, and if it jumps out, you can't scream.
Or just like hold it.
Yeah. So hold your hand out really carefully. Are you nervous or excited? Okay. How nervous? You don't need to be a lot. Just like, I'd be a little nervous. Okay, put both hands out. because it's about that size. Okay, you ready? Boss, I haven't shown anyone this. This is like my secret. Don't scream. 1, 2. Did you just tootie? All right, I'm just gonna do it. Okay, 1, 2.
There's nothing.
What did you think was gonna be in there?
Probably a turtle.
That was scary.
I like.
You know why I love that so much? Because you're so sweet and innocent, and he like really believed there was a turtle or something in there. And you're the only child that's young enough to like believe me still. And that wasn't my, well, it was my idea, but like, it just like happened. You should have seen his face. He was in here kind of like, oh, I'm gonna try and open this. And then I walked in, I was like, don't open that. Just like teasing. And he was like, what, what's in there? I was like, What? On Halloween, put candy in there. But like, secretly.
Then you.
Okay. I like you. Isn't it cute still? Don't, okay, well that's just gross. Okay, get down. Let go of, okay. Here we go. Pardon me, coming through. Here we go. This morning we had at-home church, which was an experience with Lincoln. We are catching up on some homework. Thank you, Joel, for helping the boys with math because I don't understand it. And while Joel has been doing that, I have been making some dinner. We're just having some rolls. And then it has been so long since I've made this soup. I have a full video on it if you guys want to watch it. It's in the description below. It's coconut curry soup. It just sounded really good and full of veggies, so this is what we're doing for dinner. Olivia is so frustrated with her homework, and it makes me feel for her because I did not enjoy school. I did not enjoy getting behind and then trying to catch up. It's a lot of work. School is a lot of work for kids.
It's fun.
But it is fun and we're learning, and it teaches us work ethic. So you guys are doing fantastic. Are you helping? Miss, huh? Are you helping with homework? Okay, it's a good thing. May not get done without you.
How many 8s are in between 3 8s and 3? 2 and
1.
our next 3 8s will put us on there.
You do what you can to finish eating that, okay? Because if you have room in your tummy for ice cream, then you have room in your tummy to finish the vegetables from your soup, okay?
But you
So
said
good.
that
It tastes-
I only could have one more scoop and then...
I'll tell you what, here, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get all of the spinach on the spoon.
And that's the last bite.
And one, Boston, and 2 vegetables on there. That can be your last very bite. You gotta sit here till you swallow it and then wipe your mouth off, okay?
Guess what?
What?
Say what?
Oh, cute. We're going to let the ice cream kind of thaw. Olivia and I have something very fun that I want to give to her. Go wipe your mouth. Honey, you're not listening. Wipe your mouth with the washcloth, not a towel. Oh. Did Dad ask for that?
No.
Go put that back on Dad's dresser. No, put that on Dad's dresser.
What do you want to give it?
Wait. I don't have it here. It's in our storage.
It's what?
I have a necklace It is literally my favorite piece of jewelry to this day.
Really?
Not my most expensive. It's probably my cheapest. But we're getting ready to go somewhere as a family, and I wanted Olivia to have it. I guess you guys will just have to wait, and you'll have to wait because I don't have it here. It's in our storage unit. I need to go get it.
Boston, if you're ever, oh, did you just break your nail?
She cut her nail and her finger.
No, I didn't.
Oh,
Yes, you did. Look.
No, that's just chocolate.
Did you? You broke this.
Who moved the cups? Who moved the? Oh, when I probably smacked it.
okay, Boston. I was just saying to Boston, Boston, Lincoln, be quiet. Oh my gosh. I said to Boston, I said, if you're ever an inventor,
Because I want to be one when I grow up.
yes. I said, you have to create ice cream that has like big chunks of brownie. I always just want, they have like wet, like soggy, almost like rocky almost, like brownies. And it's not good to me. It's like really grindy. So create a soft brownie ice cream that has big chunks of brownie in it.
Do you like chocolate cow over the moon, whatever?
What? Brownies on the moon?
Yeah.
We always had that growing up. It's good. I mean, there's literally no ice cream or treat in the world I don't like. But
So you love Mexican candy?
Remember when we were in Mexico and we were hitting it, like the kids were hitting a piñata and I cried because I couldn't?
yeah, I was trying to teach the kids. I'm like, you guys, this candy's not for you. We gotta go home, have all the candy we want. This candy is for the orphans. And Olivia and Cody were crying.
I wasn't.
Yes, you
Oh,
were.
I remember I was, but I was little. I think I'd still do it today, but.
Okay, if you guys have not seen our trip to Mexico where we did a service project at an orphanage, I will put it in the description. It's one of my favorite videos.
Oh, that was so fun.
When I watched that video after it came out, I thought I just wanted to go after.
Really?
I wanted to do it again.
Dad said, yeah, but you and Cody got hurt so bad. I got hit in the nose so many times.
Olivia got a black eye.
Yeah, I fell at the top of a bunk bed.
That was a horrifying night. But it was a very cool night. None of us will ever forget it, that's for sure.
I got hit in the nose by a soccer ball, and I had a huge bloody nose, and then a girl accidentally elbowed me in the face, and then I got a bloody nose again, and then I got a bloody nose again from the heat.
My arm is on fire.
Lady, do you have muscle?
Lady. No, she's weak.
She looked up right at that moment. She's like, hey.
Did you say lady? Cody's positive affirmations. You're a strong girl. Yes, you are.
California.
It's like, it looks like it's inside out, but it's not. And it looks really pretty.
Florida.
Yeah. California.
Here we go. I got a little brave right
Look
now.
at that ice cream.
It's so good.
And look, it has caramel in it. I love caramel ice cream so much.
I like big butts in
Something can't
I
deny.
like big baby sweats.
I like small forks to eat my ice cream in a can now. Okay, well, that's about how much it takes to feed a family of 6 a cup of ice cream. Lincoln, when mom asks you to do or not do something, I expect you to not be sarcastic and to do what I'm asking. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, let's go down and eat our ice cream.
Woo! Mommy, can I sit by you? I sit by you?
Yes.
That's what I said. By you. Where did you get the Oreos?
Hidden deep in the cupboard.
Wow, didn't know they were there.
You, Cody, stop doing that weird face that you
Cody
do.
is in such a weird little phase of life.